Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to chat with ChatGPT in mobile. We will start by opening the ChatGPT app on our phone. We will see that the conversation screen opens directly to us. To talk to ChatGPT, you only have to write what you want to consult and send the message. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You will see that in a few seconds you will have your answer. If you want to continue talking in the same conversation, you can continue writing a message. If you prefer to start a new topic, you can click on the plus icon at the top, and another new chat conversation will be started. If you want to consult the conversations in the history, click on the drop-down menu on the left and then click on History. Here you can see your conversation history and return to the one you want by clicking on it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.